What's up, peeps? This is your boy Cincinnati Clad King again. 3D printing for your Mavic Mini Case. I'll show you. All right, folks, let's talk about 3D printing. And I'm not going to go into detail on how 3D printing works, but you guys have you have a good idea about 3D printing. So you're able to print up things that may be helpful or useful that you can use, replacement parts and all of that. Well, I printed up a couple of items that fit down in my DJI Mavic Mini combo case. This is the case that came with the combo setup, and I printed this tray, and again, I didn't create it. I printed it off of Thingiverse, and I will put the link down in the description of this video. A little tray that plug outlet and USB cable and whatever else you want to put in here. Here's a little secret compartment. I put some more items in here, and this lid fits right back down in here and fits right on there. That's what it looks like. Fits down below the battery. So here's the battery. And again, it's still gonna close. There's no issues there. And the other one, this little container case. You can see that? Nice little print. And I put my extra propellers down in here. And this nestles right back down in there. If I need it, pick it on up. And that's where the controller goes. There you go. And so there you go, folks. You know, no issue with the lid closing, zipping it up. All right, a couple simple 3D prints. I believe one of them took like 2.5 hours and the other one took 1.5 hours to print, but that's pretty good. Just something useful. Just wanted to share that with you guys again. I will put the Thingiverse links down in the description of this video. And I hope you like it. Please give me a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, please subscribe. I have over 200 videos of metal detecting, auctions, drones, videos on drones. So a lot of stuff to watch. Subscribe to my channel and watch it. Appreciate you guys looking in on this. Thank you.